The iLead campus is comparable only to the world's finest. Centrally air-conditioned and Wi-Fi connected, our efforts have been to create infrastructure that provides the best possible resources for our students to thrive in their quest for success. At iLead, we believe that information is power, and we have built an extensive knowledge bank with resources from the world over. The Information Center and e-library, comprising 8,000 books and 4,000 audiovisual aids, will be constantly updated and expanded to ensure that our students are abreast with global happenings. Conference rooms, seminar halls, and classrooms are all equipped with the latest technology, Wi-Fi connectivity and ERP. Our video and audio editing studios are equipped with cutting-edge equipment and software that are comparable with the world's best setups. The rooftop of the iLead building has been transformed into the iZone, a spectacularly designed space. A sprawling food court amidst landscaped greens provides a space for our young learners to brainstorm. In addition, a coffee shop on the ground floor is the perfect place for a quick bite. Physical fitness is also a focus at the Institute, which is fully equipped with a gymnasium, recreation room, and dance and aerobic studio. Experience world-class learning in a world-class environment.
After joining PT classes, I could actually feel the difference in my life. I had a lot of positivity around me. I could build up very good relations with my friends, with my cousins.
Platform to speak our heart out. So that way, it helped us a lot. As in, we got a chance to say whatever we had in our minds. Otherwise, we wouldn't have ever said to anybody, a friend or anywhere. So this was like one platform where we could come and speak whatever we wanted. When this thing had started, I did not personally have a very good idea about, how the classes will be. But I swear these classes have been like very nice. I think every day we come to college, as in we don't have any study period on this day, Tuesday. But we specially come to college for this particular class, and we are always, very willing to attend it. I think it has such a great impact on our life basically, and it has taught us really a lot. Everything in this class has been very nice, a very beautiful experience. I think once in a lifetime experience. It's actually very nice.
The PD classes for me, I think, was the best thing that could happen to me in my life. And the most important part was that it helped me improve my relation with my parents, and it made me realize what contributions each one of them has made in my life. A little thank you, a little sorry, which I had never rendered to my parents or to my family, friends, anyone. Sir made me realize what was the actual value of it.
It has been an enriching experience to know myself in a way that I hadn't seen it. It has helped me analyze my strength, my weakness. It has helped me to concentrate on my weakness and turn them into strengths. And this way I've been able to progress in whatever I do.
If you have something in yourself, go ahead with confidence, realize your dreams. And the soft skill development is a very important thing, because until and unless you communicate to yourself, you cannot make a mark for yourself.
Strength and weakness class, like, you know, we all think about like, oh, we have those strengths, but we never think about the weakness, we just ignore it. But when you said, what's your plan of action, I was like, oh, we have to work out, like, you know, overcome our weaknesses also. And like, I have a great fear of public speaking. So when you said that quotation, you know, what you fear the most, face it the most. I just really got inspired, and you know, last week I spoke first. It was like so difficult for me to speak, but I was like, I have to face it. Like, you know, till now we have 3 basic necessities of life, that is food, clothing and shelter. Today I think I want to make it 4. That is the PD classes from Soft Skill. It is amazing. Every living being should attend this. It will really turn your life. It is amazing. It should be the 4th basic necessity.
आए जिंदगी में अनजाने बनकर, पर जा रहे हैं अपने बनकर, हमारे मार्गदर्शक। वो आए जिंदगी में अनजाने बनकर, पर जा रहे हैं अपने बनकर। उन्होंने सिखाया कभी हार कर भी जीतते हैं हम। उन्होंने बताया कि कभी चुप रहकर भी बहुत कुछ कहते हैं हम। उन्होंने आसमान से भी ऊंचा सोचना सिखाया हमें। उन्होंने शहद से भी मीठा बोलना सिखाया हमें। उन्होंने श्री राम की तरह माफ करना सिखाया हमें। उन्होंने श्री कृष्ण और सुदामा की तरह मित्रता निभानी सिखाई हमें। शुक्रिया और माफी जैसे शब्दों को हमारी जिंदगी में एक नई अहमियत मिली। सपनों में भी हकीकत को बसाया हमने। हंसी को सबके चेहरे पर सजते देखा हमने। प्रेरणा को भी खुद से प्रेरित होते देखा हमने। आत्मविश्वास और सफलता अब हमारे व्यक्तित्व का हिस्सा है। सही निर्णय लेना अब हमारी जिंदगी का किस्सा है। नाम को सार्थक करना कोई सीखे इनसे। रोशन कर सैकड़ों की जिंदगी, प्रदीप नाम पर विजय प्राप्त की उन्होंने।